Two giants in website building, Wix and Shopify. One showdown to see which platform is truly the best for your business. On the left, Wix, the drag and drop champion for creatives and small businesses. And on the right, Shopify, the e-commerce powerhouse trusted by big brands worldwide. We're testing everything that matters: ease of use, customization, pricing, selling features, support, speed, and more. Forget the buzzwords and marketing hype. Let's dig into what actually works. Points will be awarded in each category, so you'll get a clear winner by the end. And trust me, the result might surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, before we dive in, here's a mind map of how we're comparing these two. Pricing, e-commerce strength, design and flexibility, CMS features, app integrations, global reach, security and scalability, and last but not least, support and community. That's a lot, right? But trust me, each one matters. So, first up, let's talk money. Pricing. And honestly, Wix is kind of a steal if you're just getting started or running a simple site. There's even a free tier, which is wild, and you get a lot of core features without having to keep upgrading. The flip side, if you need e-commerce, those costs can sneak up, especially with the extra transaction fees unless you stick to Wix payments. Shopify though, yeah, their plans start higher, like $39 a month, and if you want the good stuff or need more apps, things add up quick. But for that price, Shopify is really packing in the pro-grade commerce tools and all the essentials for unlimited products, which is honestly pretty fair if you're serious about selling. For value beginners, Wix has the edge. Now, e-commerce strength. This one's huge, right? If we're being real, Shopify is basically built for online stores. It's like the king of e-commerce. The features? World-class. Inventory, analytics, integrations, you name it. They've got it, and the Shopify app marketplace is insane. Wix totally holds its own for a small or medium shop for sure, and multi-channel sales are there, but when you want to scale, do complex stuff, or just plug into a ton of marketplaces, Shopify's where it's at. The learning can be a little steep, but honestly, you'll thank yourself later. Let's get artsy. Design and flexibility. I have to say, Wix is perfect for people who want to visually drag things around, tweak every little detail, and just make things look exactly how they want. Tons of templates, total freedom, and if you want to geek out, you can even jump into Velo for advanced stuff. But there is a catch. You can't switch templates midway, which is weird. Shopify, on the other hand, is modern for themes, super mobile ready, and developers get a lot to play with via Liquid. Just, be ready to code if you want to go deep. It's less click and drag, more code if you want to go deep. It's less click and drag, more code. It's yourself. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Shopify merchants have sold over 700 billion worldwide as of 2025? Like, that is a bananas amount of e-commerce happening right now. Makes you think, right? On to CMS features. If you're planning a site that's more than just a store, think blogs, galleries, bookings. Wix is shockingly good. Seriously, everything is super easy to manage, and dynamic content or custom collections, it's all there. If you scale up to a giant shop, you might start to notice limits, but for most folks, you're set. Shopify's CMS is way more about the store, but it's still pretty powerful. You get blogs, SEO tools, even custom product types. Just don't expect the same creative range for non-store content. Now let's talk about apps and integrations. Okay, Shopify absolutely crushes this. Their app store has over 7,000 apps. It's actually ridiculous. Need it? There's an app, probably two. Integrations, third-party tools, you'll never run out. Wix isn't bad, and if you just need the basics like bookings or events, the app market works. But yeah, it's just not as deep as Shopify, and if you crave lots of bells and whistles, you might outgrow Wix fast. Global reach. This one's important if you're selling outside your own backyard. Wix gives you multilingual options and some regional tools, but advanced stuff like currency, taxes, and shipping automations are honestly pretty basic. Shopify? Oh, it's next level. Multi-currency selling, global taxes sorted, international shipping, it all just works. Some of the fanciest features are in the top plans, of course, but if you're aiming international, Shopify saves you so many headaches. Okay, security and scalability. Both are solid here, let's be fair. Wix is ISO certified, everything's protected, you get SSL, DDoS, all the essentials. But for enterprise grade stuff, Shopify's on another level. PCI DSS certified, massive scaling for big brands, tons of advanced protections. You will pay more if you need all the big league features, but hey, if you're gunning for huge growth, that's what you want. And last but not least, support and community. Honestly, they're both pretty great. Wix gives you 24/7 support, plus tons of guides and templates to get you going. During busy times though, you might have to wait a bit. Shopify is solid too, and I love the huge developer and partnership community. Most plans get priority support, but weirdly, live chat isn't on all of the basic plans. So yeah, it's kind of a wash. If you need to see it at a glance, here's a radar chart mapping out exactly where Wix and Shopify pop off, and where they maybe lag behind each other across all those categories. You can really see the strengths and weak spots for both. So, my take, Wix is absolutely killer for beginners, small businesses, or anyone who wants a beautiful content-driven site with no drama. Especially if you want to go live, like yesterday. But if your main goal is serious online selling and scaling up in the future, Shopify's the one. It just does e-commerce at another level, plain and simple. If you found this helpful, follow along for more web platform breakdowns, reviews, and those little tips you never knew you